At least 14 children have died after consuming a cough syrup called Coldrif in India's central state of Madhya Pradesh, officials said on Sunday. Earlier, India's health ministry said tests on the syrup, manufactured by Sresan Pharma in Tamil Nadu, found diethylene glycol, a toxic solvent used in industrial products, exceeding permissible limits.
जो एक डॉक्टर है डॉक्टर प्रवीण सोनी, क्योंकि उनके द्वारा मैक्सिमम बच्चों का जो इसमें इलाज किया गया था और उनके द्वारा जो ये ड्रग है, जो प्रतिबंधित जो ड्रग है कोल्ड्रिफ, इसको जो प्रिस्क्राइब किया गया था, तो उनके प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के आधार पर जो ट्रीटमेंट उन्होंने जो दिया है बच्चे के, उस आधार पर उनको भी इसमें आरोपी बनाया गया है। और इसके अतिरिक्त जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है तमिलनाडु की, श्रेसान फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, उनको भी जो इसमें जो है मुख्य रूप से आरोपी बनाया गया है।
Administrative officials sealed a warehouse allegedly storing the tainted drug, while several pharmacies in the area were shut on Sunday. Opposition Congress members held protests nationwide, demanding accountability from the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and questioning how a drug banned in other states was still being sold in Madhya Pradesh pharmacies. India has faced scrutiny over its pharmaceutical exports after the World Health Organization linked cough syrups made by another company to the deaths of 70 children in Gambia in 2022, a claim New Delhi later disputed.